The best rubbing compound restores paint by removing scratches, oxidation, and swirl marks, leaving your car with a smoother, glossier finish. My today's video is about top 5 best rubbing compound for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is a reliable paint correction solution designed to revive dull, weathered automotive finishes with impressive results. Its advanced microabrasive technology effectively removes light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and other surface imperfections without causing haze or damaging clear coats. Unlike many traditional rubbing compounds, it delivers strong cutting power while maintaining a smooth, glossy finish, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced detailers. Whether applied by hand or with a dual-action polisher, the compound works quickly to restore faded paint, enhance color depth, and bring back remarkable clarity. It leaves the surface looking noticeably smoother and prepares the paint for polishing or waxing to maximize long-term protection. The easy-to-use formula saves time while producing professional quality results that dramatically improve your vehicle's appearance. For anyone seeking an affordable and effective way to refresh automotive paint, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound offers excellent performance, delivering a brilliant, swirl-free showroom shine with minimal effort. Now our second product is 3M Perfected EX AC Rubbing Compound. This professional-grade rubbing compound is engineered for high-performance paint correction, making it an excellent choice for body shops and automotive refinishing professionals. It efficiently removes P1200 grade sanding scratches and finer imperfections, restoring smoothness while preparing the surface for final polishing. Its advanced formula is designed to prevent sticking and minimize residual film, allowing for faster cleanup and more consistent results throughout the correction process. The compound performs exceptionally well on modern, hard clear coats that often require stronger cutting power without sacrificing finish quality. Another standout feature is its smooth handling, which significantly reduces dusting and keeps the work area cleaner while leaving behind a refined surface with minimal haze. Whether used on repaired panels or full paint restoration projects, it delivers dependable cutting performance and a uniform finish across various paint systems. Since this is an industrial-grade product intended for professional use, it is best suited for experienced technicians seeking efficient, high-quality paint correction with reliable, repeatable results. Our third product is Chemical Guy's Jet Seal Anti-Corrosion Sealant. Chemical Guy's Jet Seal is a premium synthetic paint sealant that delivers long-lasting protection while dramatically enhancing your vehicle's appearance. Its advanced formula bonds securely to painted surfaces, glass, and metal, creating a durable barrier against road grime, water spots, UV exposure, and environmental contaminants. Beyond protection, Jet Seal produces a deep, high-gloss finish that enriches paint color and clarity, giving vehicles a sleek, showroom-quality shine. The sealant spreads smoothly by hand or machine, making application simple even for DIY detailers, while professionals appreciate its consistent, high-quality results. Once cured and buffed, it leaves behind a slick surface that helps repel dirt and keeps the vehicle cleaner between washes. Its versatility also makes it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, providing reliable protection across multiple vehicle types. Combining durability, brilliant gloss, and user-friendly application, Chemical Guy's Jet Seal is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to preserve their vehicle's finish and achieve professional-grade detailing results that last for months. Now number 4. Abro Rubbing Compound 10 ounces. Abro Rubbing Compound is a powerful paint correction solution designed to restore dull, faded, and oxidized automotive finishes with professional-level performance. Its fast-cut formula effectively removes surface oxidation while reducing the appearance of light scratches, swirl marks, paint transfer, scuffs, and other common imperfections caused by daily driving. The compound spreads smoothly and can be applied by hand for targeted repairs or with a machine polisher for larger panels, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and experienced detailers. Its silicone-free, body shop-safe formula is ideal for paint preparation, leaving a clean surface that is ready for polishing or waxing to maximize gloss and long-term protection. The compound buffs off easily with minimal residue, saving time while delivering a noticeably smoother finish. Compatible with cars, motorcycles, boats, and other painted surfaces, ABRO rubbing compound offers dependable cutting power and consistent results. It's an excellent first step in any detailing process for reviving weathered paint and restoring a cleaner, more vibrant appearance. And our last choice is Griot's Garage Complete Compound. This professional-grade car polishing compound is an excellent solution for restoring automotive paint by removing scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and other surface defects with impressive efficiency. Its advanced abrasive technology delivers strong cutting performance while maintaining a smooth, glossy finish without relying on silicone or fillers, making it safe for body shop environments. Whether applied by hand for small repairs or with a dual-action machine polisher for larger correction jobs, the compound spreads evenly, works quickly, and wipes away effortlessly without creating excessive dust. This clean finish saves time during detailing and leaves the paint looking noticeably clearer and more vibrant. Another major advantage is that it prepares the surface perfectly for waxes, ceramic coatings, and paint sealants, ensuring they bond securely for enhanced durability and long-lasting shine. Compatible with all automotive paint finishes, this polishing compound offers reliable, professional quality results for both enthusiasts and experienced detailers seeking an effective, easy-to-use solution for paint restoration and surface preparation. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.